Hi guys, welcome back to our PERIDOT TV. Today we are going to look at the top 5 best free text-to-speech websites. This can be very handy if you own a podcast station or you own a YouTube station, or you just need to have a lot of articles that you've written or you actually copied from somewhere and you want to hear this rather than read. This can be very handy. So we are going to look at the best text-to-speech websites online that are actually free. With text-to-speech, you can turn articles into mini podcasts, produce audio speech for your videos or other projects as much as you want. And I'm going to show you how this works, the instruction, the downsides and the upsides, advantages and disadvantages of most of these websites, so you can actually tune this and make use of them according to your needs. We are going to number 5. Number 5, I'm just going to paste this here. It's a website. It is from texttospeech.com. So now I've pasted this here. Welcome to our PERIDOT TV. Kindly subscribe and click on the red icon bell below. Thanks. Now the beauty about this is that it has different voices. It has male and female voices, and it also contains accents. US English, British English, French, Spanish, German, Italian, Portuguese, and also Russian. Those are the languages that it contains. And the only thing that you need to do is to click on the create audio. It supports multiple languages, like I've said, both male and female voices, and you can download the audio file and preview it on the website before you download. If you think the quality is okay for you, then you can then create audio file. So that's what we are going to do now, so we can see how it works. It takes less than a minute or a minute. It depends on the amount of words that you have written and the speed of your internet, but it doesn't take that long anyway. So now the audio file is ready. All I have to do is to click on the audio file.
Welcome to PERIDOT TV. Kindly subscribe and click on the red icon bell below. Thanks.
Now that's that. I'll play this once again.
Welcome to PERIDOT TV. Kindly subscribe and click on the red icon bell below.
That's it. Next, you can download the audio file if you actually you like the accent, if you like the audio quality, then you can click on download and have that stored on your computer or your mobile phone, your smartphones, and you can now actually do what you need to do with that. So I'm going to go to number 4. Number 4 is Google Translate, and is also a free website. The only downside to this is that it has just one voice, and that's a female voice. And to save the speech, you have to record your desktop audio and save it that way. So that is the downside to this. So let's try this and see how it works. Now I have this same again. So let's hear the voice.
Welcome to PERIDOT TV. Kindly subscribe and click on the red icon bell below. Thanks.
Now that is this for this, and I've told you that the downsides to this is that you have to record your desktop audio and save it that way. So that is the downsides to this. Then I've shown you number 5, and this is number 4. So we go to number 3. And one would ask, why is it number 4 and not 5? That is because it contains a lot of languages that you can actually work with. That is why I'm putting this in number 4. Number 3, another good free online website is IBM Watson text-to-speech demo. It supports multiple languages, as you can see right here. It supports multiple languages, American English. But then what I've observed here is that it only contains female voices and no male voice. It has Latin American Spanish, North American Spanish, Italian, German, French, Castilian Spanish, British English, Brazilian, and that's what it has. So that is the only downside. You're only going to get female voices when it comes to IBM Watson. And well, the voice quality is kind of excellent. It is good, and we are going to check that now.
Welcome to Hub PERIDOT TV. Kindly subscribe and click on the red icon bell below. Thanks.
Now with this you can actually download also, like I did in the other website that I showed you. That is the number 5. Now this number 3, you can actually change, like I told you, if you want to probably listen to this in some other languages, either French, German, Italian. You can switch in between according to your needs. Number 2, here is Oddcast. It's one of the best free text-to-speech website, and it has good balance of quality, and it has a lot of, there are a lot of languages here, and of course the quality, like I said, it supports different English accent, different languages. It also has both male and female voices. But the problem here, the downside, is that you have to save your recording to your hard drive. If you want to save your recordings to your hard drive or your smartphone, you will have to record your desktop audio because there is no download option. So all of this are actually you just have to look at the website and decide on which one actually suits or fits your needs. Here are the voices. Here you have a lot. There's a lot of voices: Indian, South African, US, UK, Indian, Australian, UK, Ashley, Beth, now a lot of them, Dave. So you have a lot of options here. But the problem, like I said, the downside, not a problem, is that you cannot actually download. There is no download option. And it also has the pitch, speed, duration, echo, reverb, and just a lot of tweaks. It depends on what you want to do anyway. So it depends on what you want to do. So let's test this without the echo. Let's just do the normal, none, and I'm going to use a male voice now.
Welcome to PERIDOT TV. Kindly subscribe and click on the red icon down below. Thanks.
Now this one has a kind of interaction that you can actually see the and it also moves with the, so it depends on what you want to do actually. So if you want to record your screen, you have to look at the terms and conditions of this website. If you want to record your screen and write all of this stuff, then you eventually edit this. You can do that. So let's change the voice. Let's change the sex. Let's make the person a lady with Australian accent. Let's go once again.
Welcome to PERIDOT TV. Kindly subscribe and click on the red icon bell below. Thanks.
So that is for Oddcast. Now we go to number 1. Number 1 is naturalreaders.com. It's a very good free website. It has many good quality voices in both male and female genders, and the beauty about this is that you can actually upload images, JPG and PNG files. You can actually upload a whole text document, and it will actually read this out. Convert from the letters, the words, and convert them into voice that you actually want. But like the others that I've shown you, the downside to this is that you have to actually record your desktop audio to save it. It does not have options where you can record what you've just done. So here are the voices. As you can see here, it has a lot of voice, and I'm going to show you a few here. So it has a lot. There's a lot of it here: Italian, Dutch, Swedish, French, Spanish, and it has some other plus voices too. Anyway, like I said, it depends on your needs, what you think works better for you. You can go either from the number 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. All of this depends on your personal need. So let's test this and see how it works. And we select a male voice, Matthew. All right, Ryan. All right, let's see how this works. Play.
Welcome to PERIDOT TV. Kindly subscribe and click on the red icon bell below. Thanks.
Now that is how this one works. Do not forget once again to click on that red subscribe button and also the red icon bell, which signifies notifications whenever videos are uploaded. Thanks for stopping by.